Hello friends, it's Peg. I'm so glad you could join me here today. I am wanting to talk to you about travel and specifically about blooper, packing for travel. I'm gonna take a bulkier trip this summer going north and need a lot of warm things. So I thought I'd show you how I pack for an occasion like that, and then maybe down the road we'll show you something more tropical because I've got some of that stuff planned too. So come along with me. Okay, here we go. First thing on the list is a puffy, warm, oh, you're crooked, sorry, sort of like down jacket. You want something that compresses and packs easily. This is a London Fog that I've had for any number of years that I got in one of those discount stores. But the nice thing about it is you can pack it all up, roll it up into a little bitty ball. Somewhere I have you can put it in something like this, which will take me a little time to do, and make it very compact for travel. But I will need the warmth. You know, I'm going to be out in glacier country, and when you're in glacier country, you need warmth, and I don't have much to keep me warm on these old bones. So yeah, I'll get this in here and then I'll show you. Next up, of course, I have my toiletries, my soap. These are laundry soap sheets. You can get this on Amazon. There's 50 sheets in here, so when you need to do laundry on board a ship or something, you can. I take a little planner with me, and of course, if you're sailing, you want some magnetic hooks. So those are going to go in another bag, but this is my favorite bag for packing. It's got the TSA. There's nothing going to get in here because it's all metal. Nobody's going to slice it and open it. It's got the TSA locks on it. It's got a place back here. I need to wash it from my last trip. It's got a place back here for my water receptacle. And then it opens out flat when I go to pack it. So I can do all the compression and everything in here. Now, I will be packing a dress. I will be packing a dress so that I look nice for the dining room. The nights I go in the dining room, and I will be packing these sandals to go with it. This is a dress I picked up at a local secondhand store for, I think, $3. It's a Calvin Klein Calvin Klein $3 dress at the secondhand store. So I don't feel bad. You know, if my luggage gets lost and this stuff goes bye-bye, not a big deal. So I can pack these in compression cubes. I have a lot of these compression cubes, and I may end up doing that, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put that dress yet. So in my compression cubes, I have shirts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a week's worth of shirts. So these are short sleeve shirts. I should probably unzip the compression part so I can fit it in there. And probably all you can see is my big behind. Come around here. So these are compression cubes. I've got 7 shirts in here. Short sleeve. Okay, these are, I have 1, 2, 3 long sleeve shirts, 2 turtlenecks, and 2 fleece shirts. I also have my leggings, so I've got 1, 2, 3, swim gear. I've got 4 pair of leggings. And this is a lightweight camo style jacket. And I also have this is a fleece vest because I will need to stay warm. So we'll put the fleece vest in here also. And long underwear, just in case, right? So we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. I'll be able to do on this one, but we're going to give it a try. So I'm getting down to the wire here. Change things up a little bit while we're here on this side because I didn't want to carry the heavy boots on my back. I put the heavy boots in this packer and then shoved my swimwear and my down jacket in on this side. So that can all be closed up. If I needed to, I could shove some things in here too. Like this. This is a fanny pack. Take that just for excursions. I also have gloves and a hat, and my other clothes are packed down in here. Put this fanny in here. And swim shoes. you know, if you're out on the deck, you want to have something to protect your feet. So I'm gonna fasten all of that down. And that's pretty much what fits into my carry-on. So once I button that up, I'll be good to go. And then this one is my personal bag. And in here I have things like my other couple pairs of shoes. I have my undergarments. These are also in a compression bag. These are merino wool socks for when it's cold up north. And I can compress this one here down too. But I will need underwear and that sort of thing in the hotel for the stayover. So that'll stay in here. My sandals, my walking shoes, and then of course a pair of compression socks for the plane, because we all know what the plane does to our legs. So that can all zip in the bottom of my personal bag. And then I will carry additionally in that personal bag some pajamas and all my personal effects, my toothbrush, my hairbrush, all that kind of stuff that I'll need for the hotel stay will go into this personal bag. Let me get the zipper started here. Probably should have compressed those socks. Would have helped. But I'm trying to videotape. Oh well. There we go. Now it's going. Now it's going down. Okay, so you get the drift. And in here, I can clip things like my keys. This whole bag is empty. I can fit the laptop and everything in here. And this will go right on top of that. So I'm not sponsored by Noble in any way, shape, or form. I just thought I would show you my personal packing. Thanks for joining me today, guys. And aloha. Hello, friends. It's Peg. I'm so glad you could join me here today. I am wanting to talk to you about travel and specifically about blooper, packing for travel. I'm gonna take a bulkier trip this summer going north and need a lot of warm things. So I thought I'd show you how I pack for an occasion like that. And then maybe down the road we'll show you something more tropical because I've got some of that stuff planned too. So come along with me. So this is my Noble travel setup when I go. I have this here to keep my ID. I'll put my passport and all that in here. I've got a strap so I can throw this over my shoulder. This attaches to the back here. There's a place in the back, I can figure it out, for my water bottle. And you can see everything's metal, nobody's gonna cut it open, and it's TSA approved. So that's the bag, guys. I want to quickly show you how convenient this is. It's got a great big wide mouth up here so that you can store all kinds of stuff. I can fit my laptop, all of that stuff right here. Look at how wide this opens. Yeah, unzip it first, Peg. There you go. There you go. How wide it opens. You can fit all kinds of stuff down in here. I've got pockets here, all of this space to put everything into.